Welcome back, pure structure traders and YouTube, for another London session market analysis. Today is December 20th, 2021 here in Hawaii, and will be December 21st, 2021 in London. Today we'll be going over S&P 500, gold, and also oil. Give you guys some of the levels that we'll be looking at. So again, if you guys do like these videos, please go ahead and smash that like button. If you're not subscribed to the channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe. Any questions you guys got, feel free to pop them in here on YouTube. We'd love to get back to you guys. Make sure you guys look out for the US session market analysis live that we do as well. If you guys do trade the US session, definitely recommend to go ahead and watch that. We put it out an hour before. That way you guys can get some of our levels and ideas behind our trades that we're looking for. Again, we have tutorial videos that are up there on YouTube as well. For those who are struggling with trading or want to learn a little bit more, we are putting out another video on how to create your support levels in an uptrend, so make sure you guys watch out for that as well. But other than that, though, let's go ahead and jump into it. S&P 500 had nice movement to the downside, dropping as far as right around these 45, 20, 75s, and then pulling right back up. I'm looking at this area between 90 to about 96.50 as an area of key resistance. So we'll see if the market tries to come back here, retest this level. If we fail to get through these 90s, this may be a great area for me to try to short right back down. So I'm keeping an eye out for that level right there. If not, next level above that 96.50. But we're trying to get back up. These bulls are trying to pull it back up against resistance. So we're just going to keep that in mind. If we do get this rejection here for a fade opportunity against this here, I will look for this to try to come back to 77 and then coming back down into 68 to 64 as the next areas of support. We may continue higher from this area, but we just got to keep in mind was pretty strongly bearish, and this 90 to about 96 is going to also be a key area of resistance as well. So just got to keep that in mind as we're looking to trade this. But let's move over into a smaller chart here. So for S&P 500 on the smaller chart, again, we are waiting for this to come right back into these 90s, give us an opportunity and maybe get a nice pull right back down for this opportunity to short right back into 77. Again, 77 being the area of support first. If not, 68.50 and then 64. Those could be the areas that you look for if we just collapse right through. This could be the area we look for the bounce up. And if not there, look for these 64s as another bounce as well for support. If not, down below 47 and then about 32, 75 as the next areas of support. Just keep in mind, could be a continued bearish move if we get below these 64s again to try to break even lower. So just keep that in mind if you're looking for a long opportunity. You don't want to be fading for too long. Take your points and then look for your next best trade setup. Let's go ahead and move over into gold. Take a look at what gold. Okay, so looking at gold, we are looking to see if gold can get this nice triple bottom to pull us back up. You can see 1, 2, 3 times we touched that area. I'm going to just adjust this just a little bit. That support area being right around 1789.1. Touched that 3 times, couldn't break down lower. I'm looking for gold to try to pull back into this area of 97.8. If we get that opportunity, may get a nice short opportunity from this level. So we can keep that in mind if we get a short opportunity from there. If not, then we could look out for gold to try to retest these 1800.6s to about 1802.3. That could be the area of resistance as well. If we get up into this area and we double top, that could be where we're looking for this short opportunity as well. So just trying to keep that in mind as well. But right now, nice triple bottom here could pull us right back into those 1797.8s. So we'll see where we're at as we draw into the London session if gold does get that pullback up into that resistance area. Let's go ahead and take a look at crude oil, see what crude oil is giving us. Oh, well, support's actually underneath for gold, underneath 89.1 is going to be 1783 and then 1777.6 as the next levels of support. Above these 1802.3s is 1807.1 and then 1810.8 as the next level. So keep those in mind as the resistance areas as well. Let's take a look at crude oil right now. Okay, so looking at crude oil, we are coming up against this resistance here, 69.42. Want to see if we get a nice rejection from this area and then pull right back down into support at 68.71. And then maybe get a nice continuation of this attempt to try to go higher. Next levels of resistance, 70.20 and then 70.94 and 71.26. But right now I want to see if these 69.42s actually pulls us down deeper to get this support at 68.71. If not, support underneath that 67.85, and then below that 66.70 as the next level of support. So definitely could get that opportunity where we get this nice pull down and then a continuation lower. So we'll try to see if that happens. But again, first resistance that we're looking for that short, 69.42. So we'll see what happens when we get into the London session. If not there, look out for those 70.20s, and then maybe 70.94 potentially could act as resistance as well for the rejection, maybe a double top and a pull right back down. If not there, right between the 70.94s to 71.26 as an opportunity to try to short it as well. For those who want the continuation of the bull run, starting maybe from 68.71. If not, you get this push above 69.42. Look for the retest. If it holds support, this is where you could look for the opportunity up right around the 69.42s if it retests and holds the support. So just look out for that on crude oil as well. We'll see what happens when we get into the London session. But that pretty much wraps it up for S&P 500, gold, and also oil. Again, if you guys do like these videos, please go ahead and smash that like button. If you are not subscribed to the channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe. Any questions you guys got, feel free to pop them in here on YouTube. We'd love to get back to you guys. Again, if you guys are struggling with trading, make sure you guys take a look at those tutorial videos. Definitely helpful. If you guys do trade the US session, make sure you guys check out the US session market analysis live that we put up before the US session as well. Other than that, if you guys continue to trade, make sure you guys trade well. You guys have a great night. Take care. Bye.